guys, we are at Hedge Creek Falls in Dunsmuir, California. Got up this morning. This is supposed to be like a 0.7-mile hike, and there's supposed to be a cool waterfall in the season. We're hoping it's not just a trickle and it's a real waterfall. But you supposedly can go into a cave behind the waterfall too, so let's go check it out. Okay, stopped at another quick checkpoint. See the beautiful falls behind us. Still a gorgeous trail to hike on and gorgeous view. And we're getting ready to not walk in front of the waterfall, but behind the waterfall and through caverns. So as you can see, Gizmo is all ready to go. So let's check it out. We sneak up on. I thought she just threw a rock. That I don't know if you guys saw that on the camera, and it just scared the living heck out of me. My aim was perfect. It went right in front of me.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
I didn't see a bear though, or anything scary.
Okay.